What's up? Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. So if you haven't watched the last video, I left my childhood room that I filmed all my videos in, and it was really sad. But today, we're gonna find out which brother gets my old room. Well, hello. So I am in one of my brother's rooms. This used to be my room. If you've watched my videos for a while, you know that this is where I used to film my videos until I was forced to move out and one of my brothers competed for this room. So what do I mean when I say competed? That means my mom made all three of my brothers write essays on why they should get the room. And we'll get to that in a minute. As you can see, one of the boys' stuff or things are already in here. You just don't know which one it is yet. So basically, they all had to compete, blah, blah, blah. I'll talk about it later. But for right now, I didn't want to be at my apartment alone, and I miss my family. So I was like, hey, can I sleep over? Which is weird asking to sleep. Not really asking, but just being like, hey, I think I want to sleep over tonight at your own house. But I was gonna sleep on the couch, and my mom was like, why don't you sleep in room? So I'm sleeping in here for probably one last time. So I love these shelves and I really want to take them, or if maybe they're gonna keep my headboard. Like I feel like that's kind of, maybe it's girly, maybe it's not, I don't know. This could be a really cute boys room. I still hate that my chandelier is gone. Today, I did absolutely nothing. And that's why we like YouTube, is because I can talk to you guys about it. And if you've done nothing today, we can just mutually be disappointed in ourselves. So yeah, I don't know. It was just kind of a weird day. Like all day yesterday too, all I wanted to do was watch Stranger Things because I didn't watch it when it came out. I didn't have the time to, and I was just like going through Netflix. I saw Stranger Things and I was like, oh my god, I never watched that. So for the past 2 days, I've been binging and I'm on the last episode. I'm going to chill in the room that is now not my room, and I'm going to eat ice cream. We all have to have lazy days, so I'm just not gonna pretend like I didn't have this sitting on the nightstand. It's vanilla bean ice cream with whipped cream and caramel, and I also have Reese's that I'm eating. And I'm gonna watch the Stranger Things episode. The last episode, it's been kind of scary so far. It's probably, I don't know if it's the best season, but I love Stranger Things, and I'm so confused on how Millie Bobby Brown is actually perfect, and she's like 15. I think she's 15, but she's perfect. So, and now I really want to dress like I am in the 80s. Okay, here it goes. One last night in here. How bright can I get? Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's probably how celebrities feel. They're like, Reeve, can you tell us about your latest movie? Yeah. Are you recording? Yeah. What's what? What? Andrew! Alright, we're gonna talk about. Okay. Also, please keep in mind that Reeve is the only one that kept his essay to read, and Andrew and Jack both lost theirs. Why do you think you deserve my old room?
Because I'm responsible with the basement, and Reeve doesn't do anything. He just is lazy and is rude to mom. I mean, when mom tells Reeve to do something, like work out and stuff, he just goes on his phone and stuff. It's so annoying.
Recently, in the Meloche Gregory household, there's been a dispute over who gets the basement due to the departure of the oldest sibling, Hannah. To resolve the dispute, the great mother has placed a competition on Jack, Reeve, and Andrew Meloche. That competition is a write-off.
Most of the reason I wanted to have downstairs is because the weights are down here, so I can actually work out.
How badly do you want this room? Like, do you...
I want it, but like, yeah, I want it, because I'm like the eldest son. So I feel like I should have it, and I'm the most responsible, so.
I'd say that's true.
And Reeve's just lazy. It's just straight facts. He's lazy.
I came downstairs one time and you were playing video games at like 2 in the morning.
That was like when I was like 10.
As you may know, there's a problem with Xbox and being in the basement, and the boys go on it too much. For me, I don't care that much about Xbox, unlike Jack going on it at 3 a.m.
Where's your essay?
I gave it to mom, and I asked her where it is, and she doesn't know where it is. Oh yeah, and then I deleted it on my computer because I didn't know how to use it again, but so.
You would not have to worry about me getting up for school. I get up on time for school every day, and I would be ready even faster because I'll have my own bathroom.
Who do you want, like, out of the twins to get it more?
Neither of them.
Why?
Because they're both annoying.
The most important reason why I should get the basement room is that it will teach me a great responsibility for having my own space anyway. For everyone else, and becoming a young man.
Do you wish I was still in this room? Okay, if you had to pick one twin to get the room, who would you want to have it?
But like Jack would just go on Xbox at night, and I don't know.
So, so which one?
Neither of them. I can't. It's like I hate them evenly.
Oh.
I've learned a lot in living with Jack, but it's time to move on and become more independent.
Do you like having your own room? Why don't you want to read your essay?
I don't know. It's just like I don't want to read the whole thing. I just don't feel like it.
So if you can't tell already, Reeve won the room.
No, what is it? Oh, hey MTV, welcome to my crib. So right here we have my toothbrush, my essentials of toothbrush and deodorant in the drawer. I got my toilet with Febreze and Ohio State because I poop. I have my shower with soap and stuff, and I use this because I have a cast on my foot. Well, I used to. So let's move into the main bedroom. Alright, so once you walk in, you see my bed with Big Ten flags, pennants on there, some right there. I also have Ivy League ones, with the Wisconsin American flag, and Ivy League pennants, and the small ones I'm gonna put sticks on them and put them in a chair I put together. My closet, it's kind of messy. It's just a closet, and that's really it.
Toby pooped it.
I'm not cleaning it up.
I'm not cleaning it up. I don't even live here anymore.
And you clean up Toby's poop.
No, you clean up Toby's poop.
Jack, clean up Toby's poop. Jack, no, because you didn't take him for a walk today. You didn't take him for a walk today.
Oh?
You were supposed to.
Shut up. Shut up.
I'm gonna step a little closer
What?
than you guys because I need to be the.
Jack, you better not try to be tired. No.
Like,
Okay, look at it. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, that's good.
What's up, Andrew?
Give me the controller. Okay.
I forgot to lock it.
This is a nice room.
That's it.
Andrew Meloche signing off.